Hey guys, so we're gonna go to this rooftop cinema, which is so cool. Oh, one second. Yeah, we're gonna go and watch Casablanca. I'm so excited to go watch that because that is my favorite black and white movie. So we're gonna go see. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you the details, if there is parking, if you have to pay for it, if you can bring your pet, if you can bring blankets or not. I don't know the situation, so I'm gonna find out for you. So we'll see. But I'm so excited because it's on a rooftop. And it's like 8 minutes away walking, so we're gonna walk it because we're gonna drink a little bit and we're gonna eat. So yeah, I am all ready to go, so let's go. That's so cool. I thought that's so cool. It's a snack store. We made it. It's right here. It's actually pretty cool, you guys.
So that means we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flights of stairs to
Alright guys, so this is where Burlesque with Christina Aguilera was filmed. This is the Burlesque. I swear, I looked at Richard and I was like, this looks like the scene with the Burlesque. And it was. This is where she was standing. I'll do a picture up. It is so freaking cool, and I guess that's the rooftop over there, but this was the Burlesque. The double doors. So cool. All right guys, so there's bathrooms downstairs where we were at. Jesus. Oh, I'm already.
It's like we've been standing all day, but like right between Halloween, between FanFest and the concert, we've been on our feet
For like three days straight.
It feels like 4 days.
Whew.
As I said, I got chicken legs.
Burning.
We got the best view.
Huh? We can do it, but we're almost there.
There's ice up here.
I know. Alright guys, so just the normal seats, it's the blue ones, those are the love seats. But this is it. This is pretty cool. Alright guys, so I'm trying to cool down because we walked it, but this place is so freaking nice. Like, it's so nice. I can't wait until it's nighttime and we can see everything. You make me laugh.
Couple drinks. What is the most famous line?
Lisbon became the great embarkation point, but not everybody could get to Lisbon. Across the Mediterranean to our...
Idea for you to disappear because of that for a while. Chloe, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Is that Rocky?
It is. Wanna go to the queue? Grab what we need to do.
That's so cool. It's kind of creepy. I have no idea. We are home. Alright, we are almost home. So, less to go. It's busy tonight. Like, it's pretty busy. So, oh yeah. Busy. Well, another building is getting demolished. Pretty crazy that it's getting demolished, but I don't know. I think it is 3 buildings that's gonna get demolished. It's this one, the middle one, and that other one at the back. So let's see how it's gonna look. It's gonna be an empty lot. I don't know what they're gonna do, but yeah. Alright guys, this building right here looked so much better back in the 60s. This is how it looked in the 60s. And now it looks like this. I actually preferred how it looked in the 60s. The windows were round. But yeah, I can't find anything on this building right here. Obviously it does look newer, but I'm not sure actually. We'll see. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna find something that's gonna make me.
Right, so I have small potatoes, zucchini, carrots, and red onion. And then I'm going to put this on top after I add this. Oh, and it smells so good. We used this seasoning here, and then this one as a binder. I found this one at TJ Maxx. So yeah, this one right here. Those two basically were, is what I put on the vegetables. And it smells so good now. So I'm gonna put the sausages and then cook it and then pair it up with rice after. Okay, so that is how it looks. I'm gonna start cooking it. Again, you guys can pair it with like mashed potato or rice once it's cooked, but we like it with rice. But oh, it just smells so good. All right, let's start cooking it. Good morning, everyone. I am in my kitchen just drinking my coffee. I'm stressed out a little bit because I have to go to immigration today, so those things really just get me in a bad mood, and I didn't have the best of sleep, so I'm running on low energy right now. So hopefully this coffee helps me. But yeah, immigration stuff always, like, I don't know, it always makes me feel really weird. I just don't like it. I just feel really uneasy sometimes when I do things like this, and I do have some, I guess, some trauma from the first time. So I'm like just feeling really anxious today. And I don't like it. So hopefully when we come home, we just settle and yeah, just let it go. So that's all you can do. But it's super early in the morning, so I woke up at 5:55 to be exact, because I had a nightmare. So I was just like, you know what, let's get in the shower, get ready, and yeah, go. It is about almost to an hour away. I don't know the area, but yeah, it's closer to Anaheim. I don't know why they chose that one for me to do my biometrics, but I really hoped that they would have done it closer to where I live, but no, I don't know why they did it there. But yeah, so let's go get my biometrics. I have to take everything. My Australian passport. I don't have an American passport because I'm not a citizen, but I have to take all that, my wedding certificate, and yeah. So hopefully I am prepared with all the information that they need so I can do my biometrics and get my green card. I already paid for it. It was like $468. So I couldn't take my citizenship because I moved to a new state. I have to wait 3 to 6 months, I believe. It all depends. Everyone is all different. So I have to wait before I take my citizenship. But I am definitely going to do that because I don't want to go back to Australia. My life is here, you know. I've built a life here. I've got Richard and Ozzy, and that's the most important thing to me. I don't want to go back to Australia. So I love Australia, don't get me wrong, but there is nothing there for me. I don't have anything there anymore, and yeah, it's really crazy. But let's get this going. We're here. We're going to Macca's for a little bit, just to wait, because it's 9:12 and my appointment is at 10. So yeah, apparently you can't, it says if you arrive 15 minutes before your time, they're gonna ask you to wait to process. So it has been a morning. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I cannot bring you in with me. I cannot film, I cannot do any of that, so unfortunately you won't be coming with me. But yeah, I hope Richard can come with me because I hate doing those things by myself. They are very intense. So. Right, so I'm waiting in line now because it's time to go. All right, kiddos, I am done. That is process, okay? Because you're not allowed any like phone, no videotaping, nothing like that. And it's kind of like the DMV where you just sit and wait for your number to be called. And once my number was called, I had to show them obviously my green card. She asked me where I was born, what's my full name, and then she took not all my fingers, but she took 2 fingers. So 2 fingerprints. So that was it, and then I was booted out. They were like, okay, go. So unfortunately Richard had to stay outside. He stayed in the car and we just kind of waited. But now we're gonna go home. It's 43 minutes until we get to Hollywood, so let's go. Happy face.
MA?
Yeah. Did you see that?
Good idea, I saw it. It's like drones.
Oh my god, that was so creepy. I was like, what? Look.
There goes, there goes.
There you go. What are they saying? It's like a castle. What's this called? Are they doing it for that movie?
Maybe that's what it said, MA.
That is so cool. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh. That's actually pretty cool movie. Oh. must be like what, like 1,000 drones? Ooh, that is so cool. I have the power. Whoa. Oh, that looks like the dome. True? Look at that. Oh, that's what it was that day. Wow, look at the line. That's actually pretty cool one. Whoa, he's got the sword at the back.